Guys, what's up? Welcome to the unboxing of Curiosity Box 11. But the real question is, if you put the things back in the box, is it called boxing? Ow. Alright, let's do this, motherfucker. This, wow. La 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 la. This shit is cool. Okay. Look at, I love Jake. Jake is the why you're not making video, bro. Why you want Vsauce 3? We want Vsauce 3. Okay, alright. One by one. First thing that we have is artist spotlight. Dynamic multi spotlight. Yes, thank you so much. Okay. Curiosity Box quarterly book. This is a wonderful book. Wow, I don't want spoilers. Okay, I'll go one by one. Oh my god. Okay, the first thing. Okay, this is Trammel of Archimedes. Now, the original Trammel of Archimedes made use of just two gliding shuttle. Trammel of Archimedes. Wow, shitting. Okay. Okay, the Trammel of Archimedes. I was expecting it to be wooden, but wow. Okay. Now, okay, Incu's double tangram. What is Incu's double tangram? The tangram is the puzzle, 7 pieces consisting of 7 pieces called tens. Can you arrange them into the shapes found in the accompanying booklet? So you and a friend can go head to head. Nice, okay. How would they give? They send us, this is worth the money. And as it goes in Alzheimer's research. Okay, look at this, so cool. Look at this, so cool, so cool. And this is a booklet. Ooh, it can make it. Put it in someone's butthole. Alright. What is this? This t-shirt. Oh, okay, I love t-shirt. Transfinite cardinal. Different pair of times. Okay. LF null. So we're gonna wear these right now. You see that? Alright, what's next is okay. The Incu's Q stick. Get ready to convert linear motion into rotation that obeys your command if you rub the smooth rod across the notches on the propeller stick while a finger on one hand holding the smooth mountains. What is this? Alright, what is this? This is so cool. This is so cool. I'm gonna shoot. I mean, how do I use it? The books, I'll save the booklet. Wow! Holy shit! Ferrofluid! Holy shit! Okay, I thought about buying ferrofluid a long time ago when I searched ferrofluid everywhere, but I finally got ferrofluid in this one. What? Holy shit! Got ferrofluid. Yes! I'm so happy. Ferrofluid, yeah. I love ferrofluid, yeah. Ding. You're getting this. Okay, in this one, it was in this one. So cool. How powerful the magnet is. Look at how powerful the magnet is. Oh. Alright. Holy shit. Look at this. So cool, dude. Oh my god, look at this shit. Oh, fuck, it's so cool. And finally, the book. Finally, a game. Pixel art game, a Steam game, X Prime Mover. I'll check that out later. Wow! Favorite, how to speak science, gravity, relativity, and other ideas that were crazy and proven brilliant. As it is Bruce. International bye. I'm currently reading a book by Stephen Hawking. I'm currently reading these brief answers to big questions. But I love scientific books, so I'm really curious to read how to speak science, general gravity, relativity, and other ideas that are crazy and proven. Bruce Bannerman. Good book, perfect book, amazing thing. So that's pretty much it.